Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and this episode we're going to be talking about will Bitcoin bounce. Now, if you're catching this stream live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, well, let's just say technicals. We're not doing the news lately. Make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on Discord also. Links will be going out right now. They're probably expired. I'm just going to give new links. Hi guys, how's it going? It's been a crazy week. Hope you all doing okay? And yeah, what's up, guys? What's been going on in your lives this last week? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. I'm curious. For me, it's been a friggin' heavy week, man. We'll talk about that in a second. We'll see who's in the chat, and yeah, we'll also talk about that in a second, right? So, let's see on the top image. Let's go here. Let's also leave it here on the Twitch. There we go. We're all good. We're all here. Mic's on. Sounds good. Yo, let's see what's in here. The Dingo came in first. He says, "Yo, Dingo, I have something for you." He goes like this.
What's up?
What's up? Madison, hi. Good to have me back. Oh, thanks, man. It's good to have me back as well. Thank you guys for being here. Madison says squirrels. All right. Jake says rockets. May says chicken egg. Carthago says, good evening. Cheers from Holland. Cheers to Holland. His number's having fabulous. Awesome. Bruta says, sup. Sup, dude. Portfolio is so nice. Yeah, I guess. A lot of people are happy, right? Bitcoin's doing okay. Still in 60Ks. 62K right now. Yeah, great, man. Yeah, great where Bitcoin's at. We're about to close a month. And we are. Almost. Where Plan B said we would be. Which is kind of crazy, right? Kind of crazy. That's so crazy, man. Let's get rolling. Let's keep moving. Let's go and check something else. Oh, my awesome beard is gone. I'm gonna let it grow. Good news and bad news, right? Good news and bad. Do I only look at crypto? I look at everything, man. I can look at stocks as well. Good news and bad news. I'm gonna be here for the next 3 weeks. I'm off on the 22nd for 2 weeks. The second part, or the second leg of this project that we're gonna start working on, it starts on the 22nd, and it's gonna be 2 weeks long. So I'm gonna be dragged out off streaming from 2 weeks, and it's gonna be the same. Basically, me and Mindside's traveling all day. It's been heavy. It's been fun. So let's go through like technicals, and then I'll tell you guys about what I've been doing. Now, let's get going. The market cap. Where's it at? Has it pumped? Will it drop? Well, let's check it out. The market cap. The market cap is at slightly lower. Did it go higher? I think it went higher, man. It looks as though we gapped. So, see, seeing these gaps on market cap is weird. It's a lot of money we're talking about for this gap. Although small percentage-wise, money-wise is big. So, I'm thinking, maybe market cap didn't go this high. All right, so I'm gonna ignore that. If we were not to ignore it, we would have strong bearish divergence without the possibility for action to the downside, right? We're going slightly higher here. Look at this. Look at this madness. Yeah, I know. The market cap. The market cap is going higher. We have strong bearish divergence. Start talking like Quip Key from Big Bang Theory. Crypto gaming, yo. Thanks, man. I'm back for the next 3 weeks. Unless the company that we're working with changes the date, at least I should be here until the 22nd. Then off for 2 weeks. It's been crazy, dude. It's like, I'll talk about that in a second, though. Bearish divergence shrunk, potential fraction of downside. We're seeing bought at 61.13. Oh, look at that, we're bought. Which means that we should be going down a little bit more, maybe to that neutral zone before we try to rally. Not looking too bad, though. Bitcoin. I have really not been looking at the markets, guys. I've been unable to look at the markets. Every now and then I was able to catch a snippet of Bitcoin. A little bit worried here when it dropped, found support, pumped a little bit more. It was okay. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Jake wants to huddle his deck. That's fine, Jake. You can huddle the deck. You can play with your deck. See if it grows on deck. It becomes larger on deck. He means December, by the way, right? That's what he's wanting huddling. For those of you guys that are listening, not really looking, he wants to huddle his deck. So his December huddlings will be fruitful, bountiful. They'll splurge with rewards for him. Bearish divergence, action downside. That's what we have. There's really not a lot going on here, man. Low to high, negative less, negative low to high. Nothing bullish, guys. We're just doing sideways. So, look, it's just consolidation, right? That's what we're getting. Like, let's just sit here and have a 1-on-1. It's consolidating. That's all it's doing. I pumped, it dropped, it's consolidating. It's just moving sideways. All we've managed to do since we got to here, the all-time high, all market cap, 2.64 trillion. We just moved sideways. We dropped, we pumped, but we're moving sideways. So that's it. We're consolidating, right? That out of the way. Let's go and check something else out, by the way. Let's go check out Bitcoin. The corn also 62,165 buckaroos. And now, where did it go? And Jake's hoping for some enlargement there for deck. So December, very double portfolios. There we go. Oh, darkens your crystals. All right. I told you in December hodlings. So I was off. You were really talking about your deck. All right. Hope you doubled it. Poor Jake. No. I gotta see that comment. Poor Jake. No woman gonna huddle. No woman to cry. All right. Andrew says, "Yo, Mister, can you look at it on one? All right, sure. Elon One. Dude, Andrew, do you have the ticker for that one? I don't think it's Elon because that's Elon Mars, but Elon One, I can't remember what it is. So if you can give me a ticker, that'll be great. That's Merc. That's Merc. That's Merc, yeah. Yeah, no. Look at it, man, giving growing advice. Ain't that great? I'll go check it out in the chat. Let's keep rolling, man. XRP, holy moly. I know XRP was doing mole tonight. Look at it, right? This is how you cue something without asking for it. It's Elon One ticker. All right, cool. All right, so corn sideways. Are we doing something? Yeah, we could actually hit bullish divergence. I gotta check that. One of the ones 810, 600. No, we didn't. I hate it when it looks like this. I'll tell you why. Because we want to anchor from the previous highest point on the previous island. That would be here. We're here at 800, right? But it is higher. It's still going low to high. Low to high. We're going with a lot of data. If you want to take this area here, we would be going for some bullish divergence, right? Because look at this here. 678, 682. So I mean more negative, right? And then going higher. So hitting bullish, right? So, all right, that's what we're looking at. Anyways, I'm not gonna call it because we do have this higher point here on the island here, and that's the reason why I'm not calling that hidden bullish, right? Just want to let be clear that it looks as though we have hidden bullish. I'm not gonna call it because we have an island separation. Neutral. 59.29. We are climbing. We're moving sideways. We're consolidating. If we zoom out of Bitcoin, I'm going to go to another chart and show you guys this. Ooh, this is going to be sexy for the corn. Oh, look at this. If we look at this here, the Bitcoin, and we just look at this area here, impulse stop and then flag, right? We're in that flag portion. We're flagging. We're flagging, man. Wow, that reminds me. Where are the flags at? The false flags. Here we go. So we're flagging in a sort of weird downslope consolidation looking pattern. What we know is that downslope consolidation tends to break the upside. That tends to give us more continuation, right? We're looking for continuation to happen here. Looking at daily, right? I've zoomed in again. Hidden divergence. We should be looking for a break here, maybe going up, right? That's how usually this breaks. So going up like that. We don't know though. We don't know yet. But that's what it's starting to look like, at least for now. All right? So we talked about this. Let's go here. Daily. Moving sideways. You want to do that? Change the tool. Cross. There we go. All right. So we're looking okay. High to low. Positive is positive. High to low. Nothing bullish. Great. Nothing bullish. Nothing bearish. Consolidating down sloping. Should be looking for that action to the upside here in the corner. Let's go to the 4 hour. Super shot if I could. Lol. Thanks. I appreciate it. No super chat though. What do we have here? Oh, would you look at this? Yeah, remember when we called for this divergence fraction of downside here? When was it? I've been off for a long time, so I'm gonna count back the days first. So, all right. So this is tomorrow. So this is Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Mondays. All right, so I was here for this stream. I was not here from here on to here, right? So I'm gonna have to like somehow highlight this, I guess. So I'm just gonna go like this. So I was not here for this days. And then I was here Saturday, I was here Friday. I was not here for these days, but I did post this move on the Discord, remember? That's one of the last things I posted on Discord before I started to go missing. MIA on work related stuff, which is top secret confidential. Kidding, I'll talk about that in a second. I think parts are confidential. Anyways, just so you know that we're not messing around here. I'll talk about this again and I'll show you. It'll show you what I was talking about. Ugh. He never lies. Look at this, bearish divergence. All right. On the 20th, we were looking at the bearish divergence. Oh my goodness. That was here on the 20th. We're starting to move down. What do we do? Oh no, we broke down. Yeah, bearish divergence, right? Bearish divergence came in. starting to move down. All right, so we're moving down. Bearishly, moving down. Finding support here at 61,195. Pumping. All right, so we probably hit some targets that we were talking about. It's all good. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see 4 hour chart. Look at that. Oh my goodness, we broke this area, remember? Strong hit the small term, short term bullish. When was this? On the 24th? So I wasn't here. When was the last time I was here? Somewhere around here, I think. I might have drawn something. Did I draw something? I might have drawn something here. Maybe here? Yeah, maybe somewhere around here. Can't remember. I was here for some of these days. Not a lot of days. I know this last week I have not even touched the charts, so. Yeah. Moving up, right? So on the daily I did call it to whenever I was here. So, 24th. I was here on the 22nd and 23rd. All right, cool. So that lets you know when I was here. So we're talking about this break, 23rd, right? Breaking this short-term bullish, came back down, bouncing on it, finding support, bouncing, great. Came to this area here. You remember I drew a line here. I can't remember if I drew it on the daily or on the 1 hour or the 4 hour. But it was an area that we might find resistance or a U-turn, and we were looking for some rejection. So that happened afterwards, right? I was not here. Hit that area, rejected. Oh no. Move back down farther. Oh my goodness, what are we creating? What are we creating, guys? We create a strong bullish divergence. That possibility. Fraction to the upside. Oh no, ain't that great? Your strong bullish divergence pumps you. It's a pumping so hard. It just pumped a little bit. Didn't pump that hard. Anyways, going up. Great. Now we're starting to go high. High point on the price, lower point on the price. And then we're coming from this high point here. And I'm actually gonna have some in here. It gets to the point where I'm looking for that hidden divergence. I want to know if it was hiding. And we didn't see it because it was hidden. I'm kidding. I wasn't here to draw it. I wasn't here to chart it, man. That's what was hiding in plain sight. Oh, look at this. The divergence is hidden. 61, 61. It's 58. So high to low here. So here we're coming from a high point to a low point to a high point, hidden bearish, moving us down. Where to? Support. Support 61,195. Hit that support area. Oh no, we're bouncing. Great. That's fine. Really, nothing off with that. So is this strong bullish still going to take hold? It should. It should be looking for more action to the upside. So hidden bearish doing its job, stagnating us a bit. Now we're looking for more continuation. Hopefully we can get it. Hopefully we can get it. Targets on the upside. Well, we're going to target here at around 63,000. So I'm going to call it here 63,647, then 64,205, and then 64,900. Those are small targets. So the red ones are small. The main one is the 64,900. That's what I'm worried about. I think that's going to be a little bit more of a key resistance for us to hit. This one's we can probably blow past through. Anyways, neutral, 56.16. All right, so what's next for our star? All right, so here we drop to a 20, right? Found support and pump. Look at this large wicked wick. The wicked wick of the west. Wicked wick of the west. The west. We're going east or west? I can't remember where that west comment was from. I remember it was funny when I heard it. We're going west. Dude, all right. So hidden bullish, great. Hidden bullish holding support, making us rally to hit the 20. Then we diverged. All right. So here we were creating this divergence, right? Again, a lot of things to look at because I wasn't here for about a week, so. And our TA was good. All right, so divergence, bullish, right? So hidden bearish. Oh my goodness, we're tracing in the bottom part. Tell this guy he's bullish. Hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We pumped, hit the 20, rejected, came back down lower. What happens? We created strong bullish, and then that we're rallying. We broke above the 20. We're looking for moving higher. Hey, boo-boo. Moving higher. All right. Let's see here, man. High to low, positive, less positive, and high to low as well. Neutral. At 58.42, we're gonna still go higher. Let's still go higher, right? That's what we're looking at. There's nothing bearish right now, putting pressure on the price. Bitcoin could still move higher, man. It could go to the targets that we're talking about, 63,000, greater pastures ahead of Bitcoin. All right, if we do move down, target will be a 20 moving average. Although here on the 1 hour, I would not have any reason to look for a movement down. Only we could look for potentially. That's a potentially. Would be a maybe double top forming here. So one top here, another top here, right? 1 and 2. That's what we could be looking at here. Right on. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum 4,385. Hey, I'm happy with Ethereum, man. I think it might have hit all-time highs. I've not really been looking at Ethereum. Yeah, we did. We're almost at all-time highs. Great. All right, so we slightly broke this area, which was our support line. Recovered in the next candle. Right now, we're bouncing right on it. And guess what? We still have strong bearish divergence. I said it. All right, so look, we're looking for some bearish divergence here. It didn't play. This was a couple days ago, and I'm just going to double check that it was here on the daily. Yeah, it was here on the daily. All right, so we managed to go higher, right? We still have the strong bearish divergence building. Strong bearish divergence potential for action to the downside. We're sitting bought at 63.56. 4 hour chart. Oh my goodness, we're doing all-time highs. We've been all-time high a couple days ago. I guess I should be happy. They're doing good. Yay. Prepare for war says, hey, man. Hey, man. And then Jeff Loomis says, hey, dude. Yo, dude, what's up? To you, my friend, I'll say,
Dude.
It's nice to see y'all back. My children, thank you for coming back. We're all here gathered today to celebrate the lawful marriage of Ethereum to Bitcoin. I'm kidding. We're not getting married. Guys, I'm super tired, man. It's been I'm actually drinking coffee. It's been a freaking long week. I'll tell you about that before we sign off. Load high. Oh my goodness, no bearish divergence. Why are you here? Because I came here to join your parade. Oh my goodness, guys. It's been a week. I can tell you that. Load high, negative, less negative, load high, bought at 60.46. We're bouncing on the 20 moving average. Oh my goodness. Can somebody save us? Yeah, 20 moving average. Right on. It's doing good. That's all we have, though. Right? I mean, here we went slightly lower, more negative momentum, lower on the other side. Nothing bullish. I mean, it's just still running because, Ethereum's freaking cray. Ethereum's cray, right? All right, let's go check out the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, you have strong bearish divergence. Oh my goodness, I lost a mouse. Here we go. All right, look at this. Dotted line, green dotted line, right? Our all-time high resistance. We closed here right at that resistance on the 28. Then we managed to burst through slightly higher. And it's like, oh no, we cannot handle it. Can you handle higher prices? No, we can't, sir. Okay, then dip. And Ethereum is dipping. And when Ethereum dips, you dip, I dip, we dip, right? We all buy the dip. That's how it rolls. You know how the song goes? You lost some USDT. Where you put it? You got some loose USD tether. Where to put it? In my wallet. Bong. Oh, I don't have anything for that. Oh, I thought I was going to have a quirky sound. I need to update my soundboard. I need to get a boing sound or something. We'll just do that one. Why not?
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Bow to sensei. That's it. No quirky sounds. Oh my goodness. Look at this. All right. 1483. 13. 11. I'm looking at the numbers here on the MACD. We are coming lower. And we're having a strong bullish temper. Without the possibility for action to the upside. Ain't that great? All of a sudden I'm Scottish. Oh my goodness. Let's change countries. Bring some haggis. There we go. Strong bullish. Yeah, and on the move here, look at this. We here also, hey man. We weren't here for this. But this was exciting. Look, strong bullish. Pumped. Strong bearish. We're down. And then if we zoom out a little bit, and we can go from here to here and say, yo, would you look at this? Don't look at this. Not gonna play. Would you not look at that just dryer? That line. Let's delete that. All right, there we go. That's it. So we're starting to take off a little bit, and that is fine. What I don't like is that we're starting to create some kind of bearish divergence here. That's certainly going to put pressure on the price as we're struggling with the spirit's all-time high, right? What is that wall from here to here? And it's not strong bearish, sorry, hidden bearish. Hidden bearish putting pressure on the price. All right, super fly, man. I need to get a shimmery sound, like ring. Or I need to get that bro that said, "You officially been pimped," and then go like that, right? Was it that pimp I ride? He used to be a rapper. I'm not sure if he raps anymore. Anyways, I'll just go check something else. All right, ship. What the ship is happening? Ship actually was doing pretty good. You know, at some point in time, I was like, holy moly, it's doing so good. And then I was like, oh, what? It dropped a little. I'm not sure if it pumped now. But ship, for ships and giggles, it went too high too fast. I'll tell you that. I can look at it and tell you, oh, look at that. It went too fight too fast. Too fight too fast. Went too high too fast. It has a whole bunch of nothingness, I think. 93, 91. All right, strong bearish divergence. It did have something. It did not have a bunch of nothingness. It had a bunch of somethingness. That somethingness was a strong bearish divergence against the other side. Ha ha ha. Oh, dude, ship did really good for me. I pulled out part of my investment somewhere around here. I told you guys. I was already 2 times my money, and I just left the profits to run, and they've been doing good, man. Right? I can't complain. Could I have made more money if I would have left my principal in? Yeah, but guess what? That was not my strategy, and I was happy with my strategy. So whatever I have in there, it's also 10 times at some point in time. Right now, it's a little bit less than 10 times, so it's 9 times. So I'm on the Carthago boat. What about mana? We're gonna put mana on the list. I only held about $1 worth of mana a while back. I'm not even sure how much that's worth. It might not be worth $3. Dun, dun, dun. All right, cool. Anyways, divergence, bearish, action downside, consolidating. It's all good, bought at 69.45. All right, so not a lot happening here except for that bearish divergence. That's putting pressure on the price. Oh my goodness, I'm looking for the bounce. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're breaking that 20. I don't like to see this now, right? Here, it was good. On the movie here, I was not scared because we found that support at the 20. I did get to look at it here at the high, and then we was coming back. And then on the small bounce, I was like, okay, that's fine. We're above the 20. We have not broken it. We're going to be doing good. Guess what? Not getting that feeling right now because we're below the 20. Even here, we're going slightly higher. So it was nothing bearish, man. We just went going up too high too fast, right? Too overbought. Some people could say that. And I would say, yeah, I agree with you. It's too overbought. All right, it's on the 4 hour, right? Strong. Not strong. Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence, man. There we go. Bounce. Bounce. Ship. Bounce. By the way, cheers, guys. Well, that should make it more fun. Artur, what's up? I'm gonna be here every day streaming for the next 2 weeks. Then I gotta go on the second part of this project, unless the company that we're gonna work for changes the dates. But when I go away the next time, it's gonna be for 2 weeks, and then after that, I should be back here. No more breaks, at least until February, I think. So maybe some days off in December. I'm not sure. We'll see. We are neutral. We are neutral at 49.92. All right, so that's good. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. On the 1 hour. You know what's happening here, Captain? I had bearish divergence. I should get a Scottish guy to come in here and hang out and be like, what's happening, man? Or do some weird Scottish noises. And ask him to bring haggis every night. And whiskey, right? Haggis and whiskey. Otherwise, there's no fly zone. All right, look at this. Oh no, bearish divergence. I should get an international people to jump in and have a German guy be like, it sounds so evil. Grandpapa, bring Mr. Popo. All right, so not looking too bad, right? Bearish divergence breaking us down. Support consolidating sideways here in the ship. And then here in this hopeful move, we're creating hidden bullish. Oh, yeah. Here against the RSI, right? Sold at 35.84. With that, possibility of action to the upside. Mr. Popo was it Irish? Yeah, they were German. He was from that other movie. An Irish. All right, we'll bring Seamus in. Bring Seamus in and be like, "Yo, Seamus, talk Irish to us." You know, he'd be like, "What's up, laddies?" Oh, dude, you're freaking dusty, Seamus. You have not been shaking him off a little bit. A lot of dust in Seamus. He's been in the cage for a while, man. We'll bring him out for a bit. Don't matter. Why not? Seamus can't hang out. There's really no goal for Seamus right now because the goals. So let's keep rolling here. Sheb, doing okay. Hidden bullish. He's gonna try to consolidate sideways. You see it above the 20 though. You see it above the 20 in the 4 hour. I don't like how it looks in the 4 hour. It looks okay in the 1 hour. So if we do get above that 20 here on the 1 hour, that needs to get above 0.40 and then 6986. And then here it's gonna be 4 zeros and then 7173. So it's very close. It just needs to get above that zone, right? And getting above the 20 will be good. Otherwise, I'm gonna be looking too hot for Shib. On that note, let's go and check the next coin on the list, which is HNT. HNT. It's like missing something here. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's missing something. All right, so how's you guys' week? If you had a good week, type 1. If you had a crappy week, type 2. I hope I don't see any 2s here, man. Hope you'll have a wonderful week this last week. The HNT, where the HNT at? Oh, I remember. I hit it up here. Easy access, and I always forget and scroll back down. Oh, it's a $30 cruise. What? Are you crazy? Yeah, $30 for HNT, man. All right, so Jake's week was so-so. Yeah, at least he didn't go with number 2. Jake had a poopy week. Oh my goodness, look at HNT. It's running. All right, cool. So new targets, right? We need to get new targets for this. The last thing we had here was this baddish divergence, and we came back down and hit that support line, and we found support at 20. We pumped. That's freaking awesome, right? That's freaking awesome. There's something here for the 1 hour or something. It came through. Shouldn't be here, so I'm just gonna send it back to the 1 and 4 hour, and we'll see where it belongs. But that's it, though. All right, here we go. Let's update the fibs because we need new targets, right? So the Shib, sorry, the HNT. Where it at? We go from the high point here to the low point here. There we go. All right, spot on hit. Look at that, right? So I'll start in the high here to the low here, right? So the low here in this area, we're right around here, and it gets us a spot on hit of the 1618 and a slight rejection. It's not bad. Carthago's coming out with fibs. It's all good, Carthago. At least you didn't pie in. So not looking too bad, man. We're also much higher on the RSI than we're back here. So nothing bearish. We're bought at 81.95. That's it. I mean, there's the only reason it could come down. So we're bought. Let's go to the 4 hour. Man, look at this. All right, it has strong bearish divergence. Let's start with that. But man, does it look fine. It looks like a hot piss off crypto. All right, so let's roll, right? Ooh, it's stuck here. There is this bearish that number here, 80.04, 80.99. It's all good. Oh, Nightbot, thank you. You're so kind. Yeah, follow us on Twitter, guys. Bearish divergence moving down a bit. All right, it's all good. We do have a support line going on. That support line is going to be looking like this, at least for the short term. I think it's going to be looking like this. There we go. Yeah, it didn't stay. Stick there, I tell you. There we go. We're up. Yeah, we're bought at 72, overbought at 72.16. I mean, that's the only reason we could come down, right? Strong bearish divergence, overbought, potential function of downside. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart. Low to high, high to high, and higher, higher. Nothing bearish. Look at this. It's all happy. I'm so happy. Hit bullish here. I'm happy. I actually do hold HNT. Huh, go figure. I hold HNT. Great. Thank you very much. Doesn't matter. You hooked me up with a mining rig, so I'm happy. Thank you very much for the HNT. Much appreciate the donation, good sir. Alright, so here we go. Alright. Bearish. Sorry, bullish, hidden bullish. Popping at that. Going higher. Nothing bearish. Nothing bullish right now. Hitting that 20, finding support, man. Finding support. Not only bad. Yeah, nice volume here in the last couple hours, right? Even here, I would say this nice volume in the last couple of days. Even today, look at that. He just this 4-hour candle from today. Look at how much volume it has. Looks like giants are trading. Not in the daily though. The daily we picked up volume, which is good, and the movement comes to volume. That's what we want to find. So it's doing okay. Expansion of the volume bands to the upside, very nice here on HNT. It's looking hot. It's on fire. All right, let's go check out Elon. Sorry, someone said gold actually. So let's go check out the old XAU gold, 1,782. Gold, I'm not going to go anything lower than the daily, so it's going to be a fly through. Gold, stagnation, moving sideways. All right, cool. That's it. I'm kidding. Let's actually look at gold. There is bearish divergence happening here. It's coming from here to here. And we're going to be coming down here on the MACD. But we are stagnating, though, right? Let's just get that part out of the way. Yeah, I'm not playing when I said that we're going to be stagnating here. All right, I anchored it wrong, but here we go, right? High and low, right? That's also in here. Yeah, see higher point, lower point. All right. Yeah, strong bearish moving back down, hitting that 20, finding support. It's all good. Look, metals are on track to doing good towards the end of the year. Now look for copper. It's good for the end of the year. It's trading at like over $10,000 per metric ton. Zinc, it's out. Look, it's pretty good for the end of the year. Zoom out, man. There's a giant cup and handle, and it's full of delicious clam chowder. Scrog, do you want me to look out on the daily or where? You said just zoom out. Yeah, DXY 94 years. Right. I get it. Yeah, look, man, outlook at least for metals right now from here until the end of the year, so it's positive. All right. There was a daily. I'm looking at daily. Well, I'm not sure if you want me to look at the weekly. How much of a giant cup and handle do you want me to look at? If you want me to look from here to here, it's too many periods. First, I'll start with that. From here to here, first of all, we're coming up a lot higher percentage-wise. All right, so from here to here. The lips are over 8%, right, almost. And you need to come from a 30% rally. I'm not sure if we're coming from, yeah, we're definitely coming from a 30% rally. But the period duration for the cup is too high. Right? So I would rather look at it in the weekly and see if we have something a little bit better. And even here, yeah, we're coming up higher, and yeah, I would not be looking for a cup and handle here. This is just consolidation. This was a drop. This was 2011, right? And the whole crash they had in 2013 and forwards, and the recovery that we're getting right now, and the indecision and COVID and everything. It's not bad, man. Right? It's not bad. It's not a bad thing. So, I think gold, I would not be going for the cup and handle move. I would just not be going for that move. I would probably looking for something else. It's too many periods. We've looked at, yeah, we can look at the textbook stuff. I'm not gonna bring it up right now, but there is an amount of periods I want to look for, and this is too large of a pattern. All right, drain the comics. Ooh, someone wants to drain the comics. That's gonna be interesting. You also got to drain the LME card to go. Not just the comics, right? I think the LME holds a lot more gold and silver than the comics. Just my 2 cents, right? Everything that happens in the world of trading, physical commodity settling, it's more based on LME prices and LBMA prices, which are London-based, right? The London Metal Exchange and the London Metal Market Bullion Association, LBMA, LMBA, whatever, or London Bullion Market Association. I'll get those two confused. When you're trading, buying, and selling commodities, at least on real world physical settling, you have to deliver the goods to the LME warehouses, and it's all based on London. All right, I'll tell you, the LME is a little bit more important than the comics, so it's all good. But yeah, I agree. Drain the comics, why not? Let's go to Elon 1. Eleanor. Wasn't that the name of Nicolas Cage car in Gone in 60 Seconds? Elon 1 wet. Alright. Elon 1 wet. With. Oh man, what? Is this Astro Elon 1? Alright, cool. Okay, this is Elon 1. Alright, cool. I thought we had looked at this before a while back. Why do we not have a lot of data here? I'm on the weekly. Duh. Let's look at this here, man. All right, it's starting to recover. My goodness, look at this. Pumped 100% yesterday. Still worth zero, though. It reads zero. I'm not sure how much value on weeds we could put up here. But it's up pumping. It's up pumping, man. RSI's shot, so we cannot look at it. And here, I mean, we did come lower with more negative momentum, so I'm not really looking for anything bullish. Fibs are not going to do us any good. I don't think we're going to be making any valid retrades. We might be doing a valid retrade, so let's check this. Oh, we are above that 236. Oh, great. Directed 382. So it's not doing bad. It's not doing bad. It's just going up too fast, too high, too fast. So just be careful with that. Or pump 400. Yeah, awesome. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see if we can get something better here. All right, so going up higher, more positive momentum. Again, RSI shots is not going to help us. Lower, more negative momentum. Again, we're not really getting the best data here on this chart, right? And it just might be this chart. A lot of tightness in the volume bands, explosiveness happening, pumping like crazy. Let's go to 1 hour. It might not be the best chart, man. I'm sorry, Andrew. I just don't have the best chart for them. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Here coming up higher. There's really nothing here, man. Fazan, thank you very much for being here, man. 400%, I tell you. All right. I got it. Mamma mia, 400%. Go cannoli or something, huh? Well, you're now Italian. Cazzo. Let's keep checking this out. Right on. So, went down, hit that 20, we're bouncing. Dude, I hitting bullish. That's the only thing I can look at it here right now. And that's what we're bouncing, right? That's the only thing I can give this on all fairness. There's really nothing else here on this chart I can look at. I wish it was. I really wish there was. It looks like it's an exciting rally. And I wish I could find more information for it. It's just not the best chart to look at. It's the only one that's here in Trading View. Hitting bullish. And support bouncing. It's looking good. It's looking tasty. Like some fried chicken. Ooh. Let's keep going. All right, that's it here, man. On Elon 1. Let's go check out the XRP. Someone said the XRP. Oh my goodness, it's a pumping. Where the XRP at? Is it at $2 now? If it's $1.19, I'm gonna like flip. XRP, where are you at, man? Haven't looked at XRP. I have really not looked at crypto in a week. Ooh, $1.11. Yes, XRP is mighty. Doing something. Someone said XRP. Wow. So it looks like it's stagnating. Yeah. Pumps for the last 4 days. Not bad. Not bad. 111. Hitting that 20, trying to get above it. It's not bad. It's not a bad move. There's nothing bullish happening here though. Neutral. 53.73. We're between areas. We have to get above $1.17. We must remain above $1.01, and that's where we've been at. So it's all good. Sark. All right. Is that a crypto or stock? I have a friend that works at SRK company. I'm sure you're talking about XRK crypto or SRK stock. All right, let's go to the 1 hour. Everything needs to pump just as bad. Everything must pump. It's on sale. Buy it. You must buy it now. Yes, good. I buy. I sell to you. Very, very nice. Very cheap. 60-25, 60-38, going slightly higher, coming in lower, hitting divergence. Oh no, it's gonna break us down. Hopefully not. Sorry guys, I'm really freaking out of it. So that was crazy. I got home very late last night. As a wife, if she wanted to watch a movie, I passed out like 10 minutes into the movie. I have no clue what happened in the movie so far. So it's been one of those days, and today I just feel like completely burned out. It's been a crazy week. There we go. It's a bearish divergence, strong potential correction downside in the short term. It hasn't materialized yet because this 4 hour candle's still going, right? It still has an hour and 8 minutes to burn. So it's all good. Neutral. Sort of bought at 61.71. So let's go to the 1 hour. He said, Design King says, the crypto, my friend. Okay, cool. We'll look at that. We'll look at it. It had bullish divergence here. That's pretty good. It's a strong bullish divergence. All right. Guys, have you bought crypto? Have you bought crypto this week? Type 1 if you bought crypto. Type 2 if you didn't buy crypto. For me, it's a no. I was not able to buy anything. I didn't even have good connection, so let me know though. If you bought crypto, type 1. If you did buy crypto, type 2. I was not able to trade. I was not able to do anything this week, so I had the shittiest internet connection. Had a low, had a low, and had a low. Nothing bearish here right now. So bullish, strong bullish, pumping. Good. All right, XRP doing good. Oh, Mana. Someone said, yo, check out Mana. And I said, sure, man. One second. Someone said, check out Mana. And I said, sure. Here you go. Mana! Boom! Done! We checked it. Let's move on to the next one. It's RK. I'm kidding, by the way. This is an actual group called Mana. Or Mana. Which, yeah. There you go, Mana. Alright, now you know. Mana to USDC. That's the only mana that we have. It's a pumping like a lot. Dude, what the hell? How can it pump in so much? 156%. I bought mana. Dude, like way back here, I got like $1 worth of mana just for kicks and giggles. Oh my goodness, my mana holdings are doing so good. I'm rich. I'm kidding. I only bought like $1. It's probably worth like $5 now. It's all good. All right, let's roll. Let's come up higher. There's nothing here to look at. It's just, we're not gonna find anything bearish. We're also not gonna be able to adjust FIBs, so overbought. 85.66. That's the only reason it could come down. It's just highly overbought here. Also, nothing happening that is bearish. Still going higher, more positive. Momentum and higher on the RSI. Overbought at 82.79. This is already pumping, man. It's looking okay. I'm not gonna be able to find anything here. Maybe here we might find something. Let's see. 88, 84, 86. All right. So bearish divergence here. I see you, bearish divergence. I see you, strong bearish divergence, and I raise you. So I'm hitting bullish. They're gonna build. All right. So why I said that, right? Well, I said I'm going to race it some hidden bullish. It's going to develop hidden bullish. All right, so Mana has bearish divergence that is strong, without the possibility for a movement down. If it does move down, it's going to go for that 20 moving average. But if it goes there and if it reaches that 20 moving average, right, it coming down here somewhere and bouncing at that 20, I went out a little bit lower than I should have, but you know, just get the idea. What's going to happen here is we're going to make negative momentum and then we're going to rally. So when that happens, right, we're going to be going from a low point to a higher point, and here we're going to be going from a low point to a lower point still, and with that we're going to have hidden bullish divergence developing at a support, which is going to be a 20 moving average. That's the move I would be looking for, right? And if we start to get a bounce with that hidden bullish, I would be looking, hey, Seamus, you're so drunk. Stay in your place. I would be looking for maybe a bounce to happen, right? Yeah, that'll be it. Neutral. Sorry, not neutral. Overbought at 70.97. All right, SRK, man. SRK. By the way, when you said SRK, this is the one that came to mind. One of my buddies works here at SRK. That's what I was telling you. Oh, SRK Consulting. They actually work in the mining industry, so that's why I was curious. But no, I'd say SRK Crypto, no SRK, the actual mining company. A company that works with mining companies. Let's go check out SRK here at $10. Sorry, no, 5 cents, 0.5 cents. What is this, man? It's so cheap. Go buy it. I'm kidding. Don't buy it. It's not financial advice. Let's look at it. Oh my goodness, it pumped so much. 61%. That's getting a lot of pullback. 19%. All right. We have a lot of missing data. That means the chart's not going to be reliable. Going up higher, more positive momentum, and higher on the RSI. Strong bullish, we could say that we had here for the rally to happen here on the daily, right? So going down here. And then here the move has come from negative to less negative, right? So with that, potential fraction to the upside. Not bad here on XRK, actually. SRK. That's what got us to rally. So if you're smart, you bought here at the bullish there. All right. Neutral. Yeah, 58.30. Let's go to the 4 hour. Height. Let's go here. No, here. Here, I'm looking at something on the side, guys. All right. So here we're going higher, more positive, and higher still. So nothing here. Neutral at 57.56. Still above the 20. Getting pulled back on a massive pump. Higher, more positive, and higher still. I mean, there's really not a lot to look at here. We did create some hidden bullish, helping us rally, and that's about it. But, you know, I really wish SRK was looking better. It was a good request. Here we go. It's a me, Mario. No, it's a me, Mario. KuCoin chart looks better, FYI. All right, cool. Let's go check out SRK. Oh, look at this on KuCoin. Yay. It does look better. Yay. Party on, dude.
Hail to the king, baby.
Hail to the king, baby. All right, let's check it here, man. There's nothing here, right? Strong bullish on this move before we rallied, which is the same thing we looked at on the other chart. Okay, let's do this again. The rewind. How do we say this? A timeout. A rewind. We are neutral, 59.65. Let's go here. Are we creating a hidden divergence? No, dude, did I skip this? Do we have this? No, going higher, more positive, and higher. Still, I didn't skip anything on the other chart. I'm a genius. Hidden bullish here as well. Ooh, look at this hidden bullish. Potential fraction of the upside. Oh no, please save us from the hidden bullish. You got to rally though. All right, you gotta give it that. Reclaim its 20 moving average. Pump like crazy. Look, there might be some news behind this pump, right? It's an insane rally. Just some bouncing of the 20. It's an insane move. It pumped 39% just on one candle. Oh, I'm doing it against that corn. Thank you, man. Yeah, right. I'm doing it against the corn. Let's go look at it against the dollar. Yeah, go figure, right? Like in my mind's like, like checked out at 6 p.m. SRK. Ah, here it is against the tether. I'm so blind. How did I miss this? All right, here we go. Same story though. Going back to what I was talking about, strong bullish efforts. Hey, it's there. Hey there, bullish divergence, looking sexy. And it looks like you're gonna rally. Here we go, it's a rally. Boom! Bounced. Hitting up that 20 a couple times and bouncing. It's good. Nothing bearish. And neutral. Sorry, bought at 61.9. 61.69. 69 dudes.
Sorry.
Alright, look. Same stuff. Hidden bullish divergence. Look at that. Looking good. So we had on Bitcoin, we have here. So we're not missing anything by going against Bitcoin. It should look like the same. It's a deja vu. Oh no, we're in the Matrix. I just realized that. Coming up higher, we're bouncing a lot. Oh no, we just bounced 39% on the candle. We're getting pulled back. Remember, if it goes up too high, you gotta look for the pullback, right? Nothing goes up forever. Neutral at, bought at 63.42. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, I've done 3 SRK so far. It just sounds so off. I was like, oh man, I've done 3 SRK so far. You gotta give me more SRK, plan. Please give me the SRK. It's going higher. It just pumping a candle. 39%. This is not consolidation, by the way. This is pullback. How do you know? By the way, how can you tell the difference between consolidation and pullback? It's very easy. You consolidate. Sorry, you pump. You consolidate like that. You pull back like this. All right? So that's just very easy. If it's coming down too sharp, you're pulling back. If it looks as though you're like flagging, moving sideways, easily coming down back to earth, as though if you had a parachute attached to yourself, then you're consolidating. All right, now that's out of the way. Now we've done all the coins. Let's go back to the coin. I'll tell you guys about my travels. Let's get a study about the travels. It's been a hell of a week. I left on Sunday. Arrived at Chihuahua. Went down to see a mine site on Monday. Had to wake up at like 6 in the morning. It was a 3-hour drive to the mine site. Stayed there until God knows what time. 6 in the afternoon. Drove back to Chihuahua, which was a 3-hour drive back. Ended up getting to the hotel around 9:30 or so. Went out, had dinner, and then go passed out by 11 or so. Because then had to wake up the next day and catch a flight all the way to Durango. So flight Chihuahua, Mexico City, Durango. From Durango, went out to see a site. So went out for dinner. Arrived there at around 6-ish. But I went and have dinner with my boss and the guy who was traveling with us because my boss lives there. And we had a good time, but ended up going to the hotel around 11 or so. And then, next day we had to wake up at 6 in the morning, travel to a mine site that was 3 hours away, go see everything, and then drive 5 hours to San Luis Potosí, which is a 5-hour drive. From there, we went to see another mine site on the next day, so I had to wake up at 6 in the morning again. Go see the mine site, came back into town around, God knows, like 9 p.m. again. Went out for dinner, ended up coming back to the hotel around 11 or 30 or so. And then last, we also had to wake up at 6 in the morning, go see the plant, the actual smelting plant where they're smelting the zinc and making sulfuric acid and cadmium. And we looked at the plant lab, etc. And by the time it was done, already 6 p.m. Yeah. Went for lunch real quick, flew back. Flight got delayed by a long time. And I'm getting home around 11 or so. And I'm here. I'm super tired, man. I'm so beaten up from the week. And when I go back out of town in like 2 weeks, it's gonna be the same story. It's gonna be waking up every day. Distances are pretty long. It's gonna be a pain in the butt, but you know, shit, man. It's a big project. If this project comes to be, not just for my company, right? There's other 4 companies that we're all traveling together. So it's gonna be like a tender, basically. They're coming out with a tender. We're all invited to participate and give bids. Yeah, it's a huge project. They want to standardize everything in their operation, and it's a huge thing. If you're able to do this, it's gonna be like a multi-million-dollar company, which is gonna be pretty good. So I'm going there for the commercial side, and I was traveling from someone with the technical side, which we concur. It's a huge, massive undertaking. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna involve a lot of people. So, but it's just a lot of traveling. I'm really, really tired from that. And although I did not stay at the mine sites, I was staying at hotels. By the time I got to the hotel, the only thing I could do was just like basically take a shower, sit in the bed, and just crash. So I was crashing every day so hard by like midnight or so. So no chance to look at charts, no chance to look at anything. Internet while I was traveling was crappy. Also, fun thing, I was traveling so much and watching so many videos that I ended up hitting my data plan on Monday. So from Tuesday until Thursday, I didn't have any data. My plan renewed on Thursday, and so yesterday I had data, but there's not a chance. Sorry, Friday. Yesterday was Friday. No, today's Friday. What's today? Saturday. All right, cool. I'm lost. So I didn't have any data until basically Thursday night, and then Friday, didn't have a chance to look at anything. I just looked at Bitcoin real quick whenever I had a chance. And I was like, 61,000, 58,000. Oh my God, 61,000. We're good. We're just consolidating. It's all good. It's fun. That was my week, dude. Yeah, it's been fun. Monday, there might not be a stream. I'm gonna upload a video. Reason for that is, one of my buddies is gonna have a get together, which we haven't seen in a long time, and he's gonna have a get together. And then Tuesday is off in Mexico. It's a holiday, Day of the Dead. So since that's happening, he's having his get together Monday night. So Monday night, I'm probably not going to be able to do a stream, but I will post a video before I go to these get-together. It might come out throughout the day, and I'll try to get that as soon as I can. And the reason for that is I want to leave something up on Monday, but there will not be a stream on Monday. Right? I haven't seen a lot of people in a long time, so really want to go and see this friend of mine. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Monday, no stream. Monday, video. Then Tuesday stream, and then from there on, regular stream for the next 2 weeks. Also, take into consideration, today, Mexico changes time. So, we fall back 1 hour. You guys in the US still don't fall back 1 hour until next Sunday. So this next week, my streams are going to be delayed by about an hour. Will I do shorts? No, I'm going to be wearing pants all the week. I think shorts are overrated. Plus, it's starting to become fall and starting to get a lot of mosquitoes outside, so shorts are not going to be a good option. Yeah, I'm gonna do a short video, man. I know what you're talking about. I know. I was just messing around. You're gonna be like, God, this guy's such a dick. Yeah, there it goes. The beep didn't blow my word, right? This guy's such a D. Yeah, I'm gonna do shorts. I'm gonna do short on Monday. But while the week is the next week I'm gonna be off by an hour. Right? What that means is for me it's gonna be the same time, but since I'm falling back 1 hour already, right? So for me it's gonna be instead of being 9 p.m. it's gonna be 8 p.m. Right? It's still gonna be 9 for me, but you guys are gonna get pushed back 1 hour. So for you it's gonna be you guys are gonna be 1 hour ahead of me. So if you're used to watching me at 9 p.m. Central, just think that starting tomorrow, I'm going to be coming in at 10 p.m. Central. Not that I want to come in at the time, it's just I got all this stuff going on. Did I miss the shift fiasco? What do you mean the shift fiasco? What is the shift fiasco? Shift was at like 0.40 and then 6,000. Almost 7,000. So what's the shift fiasco? How did we fiasco shift? Please tell me. Please tell. Ooh, story time. Carthago says, you don't have that today. It was up anyway, so... Hey, the root canal last Thursday. Feels like my teeth have been in a vice. But they have finally fixed. You know what, dude? Remove your teeth and get new fake teeth. And then have them match someone else. And then you'll have someone else's dental records. I'm kidding, don't do that. I'm so fucking tired, guys. I'm having a blast. I really wanted to come in today. That's why I came in. Like I told the wife I was so tired. I grabbed like a 10-minute nap before the stream started. I really wanted to jump in and say hi, talk to you guys, talk markets, catch up, see how you guys doing. I'm glad a lot of you guys bought crypto. I saw a lot of ones coming up. Mine was too. I didn't buy anything this week, and I'm happy. I'm happy for you guys. Also happy to see that you guys have a good week in general, except for Jake that had a 1.5. So yeah, that's so weak. circumstances, the ship keeps on. Yeah, meme coin time, right? It's fall, man. It's meme coin. It's gonna be a meme coin Christmas. Can't be Doge for Christmas. I'm kidding. Don't get into Doge. I hate Doge. It's gonna be a Doge holiday. Yeah, not really. That'll be a good line though. It's a Doge holiday. Buy Doge, the car, not the coin. That's it's a weird week, guys. It's a weird week. I'm happy to be back. I'm really happy. As a ship, I flip at the Doge in market cap. That's pretty good. Doge is overrated. Ship is gonna rule the world. Not really. Market Siphon says, so the Halloween effect that's finally arrived. What, do I look weirder? Maybe. My beard's gone. They made me shave for this trip. I was so freaking, not pissed, but, disappointed. And then the next part of the trip is going to be in November. So my November is basically going to go away. I'm going to have to shave. So, anyways, what else are we going to do here? So we're going to be calling a stream here soon. Market Siphon, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Guys, if you haven't done it, I haven't said this, but make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. It's been at the top of the chat. Martin, you have 2 different drinks. Yes. You're keeping track. I had coffee, I have whiskey, and I have water. Dude, I have to keep hydrated. I'm really tired, guys. It's fun, though. My whiskey's almost gone. Behind Schleinte. Scroll. Whatever you had language. Coffee's already gone, so that one's out. This one's gone, so only thing I have left now is a glass of Wasser. So water. The Halloween effect identifies it. Guys, an anomaly. An equity return anomaly in which the months of November to April provide higher returns than the remaining months of the year. Oh, precious. I'm kidding, man. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah. That's what we say Q4 tends to be really good, right? The Halloween effect is a market timing strategy based on that stocks perform better between October and May than they do between the beginning of May to the end of October. Huh? Yeah, we said Q4 should be pretty good, right? So far, we're off to a great start in Q4. And not only that, we talked about that before Plan B came out and said, yo, because should be at 120 plus thousand on December, and 97,000 plus on November. Market Siphon is screaming, the Halloween effect has arrived! And you're right. It has arrived. It's a Halloween. Tomorrow. Go trick or treat. Have fun. Make sure you disinfect all your candies. That's what I'm gonna do. Go trick or treat and then drown all the candy in bourbon or whatever I can find. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be disinfected. Kidding. Don't do that. Yeah, we're bouncing Bitcoin. Look at that. It's going down. Oh no, the 20 moving average holding support. Oh my goodness. Who knew? Who knew? All right, so where can Bitcoin go? If we do break that 20 right before we leave, if we do break that 20, 61,195, right? That was gonna be your support. If we hold on to the 20, we could be looking for a bounce. Maybe try to retest. 63,647 and above there, 64,305. Those are targets to the outside. Minor ones, right? I'm waiting for after Halloween candy sale. Ooh, smart move. I just wait, see how much candy my kids bring home, and then I say, oh, you cannot have that much candy. It's a lot of candy for you. And I basically start picking what I like. I'm kidding, I don't do that. I do go through their candy and I tell them what they can have and what they cannot have, though, right? So and then I just basically dosify that candy to them throughout the year. This is a lot of candy. They do get a lot of candy. I'm like, oh shit, you get all that candy. I'm not gonna have a good time. You're gonna have a blast, and then you're gonna sugar crash and throw temper tantrums. But I'm gonna pay the bills, so I'm like, no, you only have one piece of candy a day. Yeah, I am that dad who tells kids you only have one piece of candy a day. It's all good though. Marcus Siphon says he's gonna. Oh, by the way, let me know, guys. What are you gonna dress for us Halloween? Let me know in the chat. I'm curious. I'm straight curious what you guys are gonna have for Halloween. What are you guys gonna dress up? So let me know. For real. It's curious. Gotta make sure there are no weed candy so you don't fall. Alright, Ethereum to the Bitcoin. Alright, yeah. Do we have that up here somewhere? I think we'll look at that. I'm not even sure where I have it. I have the opposite, which is Ethereum to Bitcoin. I hope that works. Alright, for war is gonna become a giant, massive green walking a giant green walking. Alright, there we go. It worked! It came out on time. I have to time it now. I remember when I used to push this little button, it was so on time. Now I gotta time it. I gotta consider how many seconds of delay it has. Really wish it didn't have that much delay. Alright, so high to low, high to low, and high to low. It's not doing anything here. Alright. Son, you gonna dress as Scooby-Doo? Are you gonna ask for Scooby Snacks? Scooby. I can't do Scooby-Doo, screw it. I'm not even gonna try to ask for Scooby Snack. I'm gonna ask for Doobie Snacks. Oh yeah. Kidding. No Doobie Snacks. Hello. Neutral at def 7.10. Oh no! This is nothingness. Load of hiding is nothing. Alright, that had release that value. So Ethereum is gonna gain ground on the corn, and that's what we're seeing happening, right? Let's break into this. Oh no, there's an ambulance going out. Drive by faster. I'm streaming, man. Come on. Have your lights on. It's like the slowest driving ambulance ever. There you go. It's gone. All right. It took forever, man. So yeah. They should go faster. Bullish divergence strong. Action the opposite. Get above the 20. Very nice. Finding support. Closing there and higher. So what we want to see. All right. So Ethereum is gaining here on the corn. So we only got 2 people saying what they're gonna dress as. All right, the market siphon has philosophy. It's good. You must eat it, not smoke it. Philosophy. That's good, man. We're not gonna judge. I'm not gonna judge. I didn't even smoke it, so I cannot be a judge of that lifestyle. 73. South is going higher. It's going higher and higher. All right, so hidden bullish. Add support. Oh no, look at that. I mean, oh yes, look at that. It's finding support. So we only got 3 people saying what they're gonna dress at. What are you guys gonna dress as? Let me know. If you're not gonna dress as anything, it's still cool, right? 59.94. Let's go to the daily. Only 12 people watching. No one tells me what they want to dress for us Halloween. I'm gonna dress as a creepy clown. I think either that or Batman. So, yeah, Market Stefan, that is not a medical statement. I cannot repeat that. Plus, it's not a proven fact, so I can also not repeat that. Unfortunately, sir, your query has been denied. Denied. Oh, I also need to get that in my soundboard. I get denied sound, right? I need to find those little cool sounds to have like a more hype sound. Scrox says no costume here, I'm named. No, that's fine. That's fine. You can not wear a costume, dude. Right? You can be a boring grown up. I'm kidding. You're not boring. Market Stefan says I want to dress up as Chain Link. All right. No costume is okay. You know, I've gone Halloween's without wearing costume. It's fine. You can say you're dressing up as yourself. That's what I used to do. Open for war. It's so crypto. You think upside down patterns tend to play out as well as they do on the upside? Jump upside down, cup and handle, dumping. That depends on the sentiment of the market. Yeah, everything depends on the sentiment of the market. Even upside up, right side up patterns, right? So if you're asking me about upside down patterns, yeah, send me the article in the Discord and I'll check it out. If it's not been published in a medical journal, I don't think I can talk about it. So here we're looking for cup and handle to form. It never formed its handle, it just pumped. Oh, that's fine. And we said that it's fine. They're against the corn getting. Alright, so right, so if you're talking about the inverse patterns, right? I'll tell you this. This here. Oh no, it went too far down. Would be an inverse head and shoulders. So it's an upside down pattern, right? Because the right side up, it's a head and shoulders, a regular, right? So this places the downside, right? And this one here places the upside, right? So if that is the case, then inverse head and shoulders should have a lesser chance of playing out. No, they all have a same chance of playing out. It just depends how it breaks and what the market sentiment is. So I agree with you on that. It depends on the market sentiment. You can have an inverse head and shoulders. You can have a head and shoulders pattern, right? Or an inverse cup and handle. Let's talk about that, right? So you have your inverse cup and handle. You have your neckline here. But if you on the move here, you don't break that neckline, your chances of meeting the pattern are less. So there's a bigger chance that if you didn't break that neckline, you're going to look for bounce. Right, so I would say they have the same amount of chance, and there is a book. It talks about probabilities of patterns playing. That's the one I usually reference, Encyclopedia of Charts Pattern by Thomas Bulkowski. And it tells you the chances that a pattern might or might not play out. So there are throwbacks, right? You could look as though, right? Even in a head and shoulders, let's say, right? Where you have this. Then you have your shoulder line measure, right? Going down or something. Right, and then you finally break this area, let's say. But then if you don't go below a certain percentage points below this area, you're looking for a thing where the pattern might not complete, and you might throw back, and you could go back up, right? So you could reverse. So you do have to even keep into consideration that once you break, right, particularly in this case, you will be short in the market. It's assumed that you'll be short in the market because you're just waiting for the price to go down. So you'll be basically entering at the breaking point or even at the throwback point upon breaking, right? Because you can still play the extra percentage points that the pattern is going to move down. If that is the case, you would set up your stop loss here. On a regular head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, let's say, right? So inverse head and shoulders, you have your neckline the same, right? And upon breaking, right, you're going to have a throwback point. So let's say your throwback is going to be 5% for the pattern. So if you don't break this 5%, there's a good chance the pattern might reverse and pull you back down, right? And you're going to get your throwback. But if you break this 5% point, right, you are on track to going higher. So what you would do is you would enter here, right? And then you could place an exit. If it breaks here, then it starts to come back down. You could place an exit here, maybe. Or even here, and you would not be losing a lot. Or here plus your entry fee, which would be slightly higher. So you might be placing an exit here, sorry. And then if it starts to throw back, that's fine. You can always enter. You can always re-enter a trade. Remember that, right? A lot of people are like, oh man, I want to exit a trade. Dude, trading is about going in, getting money, and going out. Otherwise, you're not trading. I'll send you on the Discord. So that's fun. That being said, we have been alive for an hour and 18 minutes. Yeah, it's not exactly 5%. It does have a percentage pattern where it can play out. Oh no, Cortana, go away. Cortana, this is Echo 419. Could you read me? I'm trying to fucking find it here on the quick ones. Not. So we're gonna bring this up here. Here we go. So let's go to you said in and we're gonna look for whatever pattern. They'll have the same thing. All right. So oh my goodness. Let's go for something. What is this? Barton information. So that's a Barton wedge. Not really care about that one too much. I'm gonna look for something a little more on the traditional side. Diamond tops, diamond bottoms. Not really looking for those yet. Adam and Eve double bottoms. All right, this could work. It's a pattern that we could see. Double bottoms, right? This isn't even Eve. So you have throwbacks, 55%, and then you have your break-even failure rate. That's what I was referring to, the break-even failure rate, not the throwback. Your break-even failure rate is a point that you must pass. That in case of a throwback, you're gonna get the pattern to play out. So for this and even Eve, it'll tell you that it's 6 out of 23. So that's a really good chance of it playing out. Your break-even failure rate is 4%. That means that your pattern must break over 4% on the move above the previous top. And then if it does, you're looking for a 40% gain. After transcend, you're looking at a 31% rally, and then throwback would be around 55% chance. So when you look at this here, sorry, I scrolled down too fast, too much faster than I was looking for. All right, cool. So here you have, right, confirmation line here, Eve and Eve, right? You have your double bottom, have that confirmation line at the top here. It's gonna look small, but we deal with what we have, right? So let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit more into this chart. All right, here we go. Right, and you get your retest of the previous line, and you continue to the upside, which again you're looking for that 40% rally on this pattern. So what I'm looking for here is failures. So see here, you had your even Eve, right, or even Adam. You didn't even know if there was an Adam or not. It looks like an Adam. It could be an Eve. Even the author of this book, which is someone you should listen to. Didn't even know, but you kind of broke it and didn't quite do it, and then you even came here for a third bottom maybe that looked like an atom, because that's how you draw the atoms with spikes. Eves are round usually. Didn't even know, so you pull back down. I'm looking for something here if there is one that has that throwback happening. Sometimes he shows ones with the throwback. See a throwback. Here we go. A confirmation line here on your Eve and Eve. Get that, it looks as though we're gonna break, but you didn't quite go up above that 5%. You're getting your throwback, right? Your throwback, and then this one continued to the upside, but your break-even failure rate would be interesting, right? Kevin,
You're killing me, Smalls.
There you go, dude. H&T, $30. Ain't that great? Yeah. Anyways. There is a lot of things here that you got to consider. Here you got throwback, but on the throwback here, right, you did meet percentage failure rate probably, because you're looking at 5%. You're looking at $12, 5%. You went to $14. You everything broke it, but the throwback did get you to the confirmation line. You push through that, right? So it's looking pretty good here. Do you do harmonics too? Not often. Not often, my friend. I should. They best of fifths, so they should play out. I just don't do harmonics that much. Printing money out of the sky, no. Weird. It's like Skyfall. Let's get something else here. Let's do HNT real quick, because Kevin's here. Kevin Kurwitz. I'm just gonna call you that, Kurwitz. I'm not sure if I'm butchering it or not. I don't care. You're Kurwitz now. Or Kerwitz, I'm not sure. Korwitz. We'll figure it out later. We'll figure it out later, man. Look at this, it's going higher. Oh my goodness, it's so good. We already did it, by the way. I'm just gonna recap it. So going up. I threw neo fibs today, and it went from this high here to the low here. And guess what? We hit that 1618 spot on and rejected, so that's fine. We are looking still for action to the upside. There's nothing negative here happening, so nothing bearish. Overbought at 81.28. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour, we had hidden bullish. So this is from the 1 hour. I forgot to anchor it. Yay. I knew that. Because the next candle, or the next chart we did, it was off, right? On the 1 hour, it showed the 4. So I knew I had forgotten to do this here. It's all good. Bearish side, very strong potential for action downside. We have not broken support line yet. So even if we move down, we have support, and then we have that 20 moving average to look at. So looking good. We can move sideways here for a bit, hit that line again and try to pump. Strong bearish though, so that should be pointing at least to action to downside. Overbought it's in 1.30. See 1 hour chart. Hidden that bullish divergence, pumping higher. Right now we just broke on the last hour candle here below that 20. Not good. We need to reclaim it. Otherwise, we could really be starting to look for a movement down upon being below that 20 moving average. It's gonna be act as a resistance. If that 20 moving average becomes a resistance, man, it's not gonna be fun. Now we do have the support line, and the reason I'm calling the support line, I hadn't drawn it before, but look, we have one touch point here, 2 touch points here, couple wicks here, and then a third touch point here. So very nice support line. Even breaking below that 20, we could be aiming for that support. If we go for the support line, we could be looking for a bounce. And if we look for a bounce, then we could be looking for a retest of that 20. So even if we break the 20, we could come down here, try to bounce. If we go here, chances that we might create some hidden bullish divergence are there against the RSI. And if that is the case, we could be looking for a bounce. Try to retest that 20. And if we manage to get above that 20, then we would need to get above this previous high here. Right, that would be at $31.70. So basically what I just said, for you guys that didn't quite follow, this line's going to keep on building. So what's going to happen here is we could come down here, try to come back up here. If we reject, we're going to come here again, and we're going to start sandwiching between this line here until we break below or get above the 20. So if we do get here above the 20 on a bounce from coming down here, right, and bounce, what we're looking for is a break of the previous high here. So we're looking for a break above this area. Right, if we do get that break above that area, we're still looking for higher areas of actually the upside. Right now we're consolidating. We're pumped a little bit. Now we're consolidating below the 20, not good. So we're looking for the movement down. That's what I'm looking for. It just depends how we're going to tackle that movement down. So there we go. Talked about it in layman's terms. All right. An hour and 30 minutes have elapsed since we began the stream. Almost an hour. Oh no, the music stopped. Oh, no, I haven't heard Rob lots today, so we're gonna play this one. I like this track. Right on. So, prepare for war. Thank you very much for sending me messages on the Discord, man. I'm sorry I was not able to get back to you on your coin. It was a hell of a week, my friend. I can tell you that. It was a hell of a week. I'm happy to be back there. Upon that note, I must check this. I haven't even seen my helium and see how it's at, so we're gonna check. Ooh, we're synced. We're not mining a lot though. That kind of sucks. Did it update or something? I don't know. It's down quite a bit. We're not mining a lot. Oh, not good. No witnesses. So I'm gonna have to go up and unplug the unit. Ooh, we had witnesses. No witnesses. All right, cool. It's all good. Let's go and check why we're not mining a lot. Particularly at current prices, we should be mining like a crazy man. Let's go here, statistics. Let's go on the third day. Yeah, we have not mined a lot in the last 30 days. That's crazy, man. Why did it go down? I love shooting you a message to pick your brain. Oh, that's pretty good. So out of it, guys. I want to be calling it a stream for tonight. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub. Make sure you join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember, you should talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is the most awesome crypto channel out there, guys. You know it. I know. So, let's get the community growing. Remember, all the information that we're providing here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Based on what you see here, we're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for an edition of TSO Crypto. Oh no, my miner is down. I have to go and replug it. It said I mined today, so I'm gonna have to go check it out. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for an edition of TSO Crypto. TSO Crypto. I'm feeling TSO Crypto tonight. Until then.